This is a video on how to install the swivel base onto the bottom of the seat. We need to line up the holes with the holes in our seat so that we have at least 4 bolt holes lined up with the base of the seat. We need to use all 4 bolts. When we install the bolts, the long one goes in the front. When we install the bolts, the long one goes in the front and the short one goes in the back. Now when we get to this last one, we are going to have to loosen this bolt to swivel this bracket out of the way so we can put in our 4th bolt. So we can just loosen it a little bit. A lot of times it will just turn with our bracket. Then we can go ahead and put in our last bolt. We can go ahead and tighten down the bolts into the seat. Then we want to readjust our bracket, push it forward, line it up over the hole, and then we can tighten it down again.